Hey guys, this is Dad's Toys and Things, and in today's episode, it's gonna be different. Instead of opening up one of these figures, we're gonna seal them. So I guess the question is, why would you do that? I mean, isn't it better to just open them up? Oh yeah, but I would rather have some that are open up, that are one on display, and I just want to keep one in its pristine condition. And this is unpunched, as you can see. I want to protect the card. I want to keep the artwork, things like that. And there's several ways that you can actually do it. So let's take a look. Okay, here you go. So this is a clamshell. Let me just put it up here. As you can see, this is composed of two pieces, the front one and the one at the back. And the good thing about this is that this is molded exactly for the origins. So I can just put this in. As you can see, it fits exactly as it should. And then what happens is that you just close it. And I don't have a carded vintage, but I think the vintage one will fit as well. So you could use it for vintage. Look at that. And you have a hole in here, so you can put it up if you want to. And then look at that. Your figure is very much protected. And the good thing about this is, see the top part of your card? You can keep it straight. Right? No creases, no nothing like that. Now the only thing that I don't like about this is the way that it stands. So this is how it stands vertical. If I let it go, see how it tilts forward, leans forward. Yeah, that's the only thing that I don't like about it. But I guess, this one, it's made to actually display it on here, you can see. So you can just hang it. And I guess that's how they envisioned or how they designed it to be. But it's not. It's really good. So you can see the figure in here, and you have that nice visibility of Masters of the Universe, the name and everything, and right at the back, you can see the nice artwork. Yeah, right at the bottom, there you go, and on the side as well. Yeah, so this is really good. It is really good. Now, this is not the only way that you could do it. I do have another one that I want to show you. Okay, take a look at that. Now, this one is an Abo Retro Action Display Case. So how this works is that you open it up. Let me see if I can open this one up. And it forms the case itself. And then let's look at the bottom. Here you go. So, which one should I put inside? I don't have any. Oh, here you go. So I'm choosing this one because this is unpunched. Oh, let me put it in. Here you go. There you go. And then push these tabs right here. And then push this one, the cover. And then this one. And no, it's like a box, right? It's an acrylic box. It's not an acrylic, it's plastic. But it's thicker than, it's a little bit thicker. So there you go. Now, it's not as clear, right? And that's because it's got plastic. It's got a plastic protection. So if I remove the plastic protection right here, so this one you got a little bit of work to do, but take a look at that. Take a look at transformation. See that? And then take that one out and look at that. That is nice. Well, so the good thing about it, I no longer have the issue of this thing tilting forward. There you go. And I think it has protector on the side as well. Let me see. I think it has protector on the side as well. Well, it's nice for them to do that. So when you get this plastic, you won't have scratches and things like that. Oh, even on the top. Even on the top, you have it. So on the sides, on the top, you have it. Look at that. So everything is protected except. So with this one, as I pointed out earlier, you have these two sides pressing on the card. See that? So you can be sure that this card right here will remain its shape while this is inside. Now this one, well, it is, shape is there, but there's nothing pressing on it. So I think eventually it's gonna change its shape depending on when you put it. It could be some, humidity, how the humidity affects the card inside. I mean, this is made of cardboard. Yeah. So let me open one up quick and then put one up together because I want to show you one thing. All right, I am back. So I made another one, actually two more. So here you go, and here you go. I guess the other good thing about this is that you can stack them up. So I don't know how high you can go, but let me see if I can stack them up. Here you go. You can stack them up. And you can't do that with the other one. So I think I don't have enough space here, but I think you can stack them up to 3 levels. Maybe. But if you just want to keep them in their good condition until you decide one day that you don't want it anymore and then you want to open them up, or if you want to resell them in the future, it's really good. I mean, if I'm buying something like this and I see it in a good case like this, I'll be more inclined to pay more rather than just seeing something outside like this. There you go. I got more that I need to do. It comes in a pack of 10. And here you go. I have more of it. Just put this thing down. And let's see this. Here you go. And there you have it. This is a nice display case. It's not acrylic. I mean, for the price, it's not bad. It's not very expensive. So you could buy 10 more or 20, 40, depending on how many you want to put in. If this was an acrylic case, I think you'll be paying probably 10 to 15 times more per piece. And I don't think it's going to be worth it in the long run. I mean, these things are not going to increase in value like the vintage. If you have a vintage, yeah, put it in acrylic if you have the original card. And, but these things, I mean, some of them may be worth more than the others. Let's see. So I just did another one. Look, Coldar. So Coldar might be worth more, but yeah, there you go. Once again, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to click like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for more of my videos, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.